Today, BMW reported the biggest profit in 2.5 years. Strong sales in China and a rebound in the U.S. helped the company. For more on the earnings, we are joined right now on the phone by Fahd Rachidy. He is the head of global investment strategies at Vantage Capital Markets. Now, prior to today, Fahd had a sell recommendation on the BMW stock. But Fahd, you're saying due to the results you saw from BMW, you're going to be upgrading the stock. It goes from a buy to a hold. Is that right?
Yeah, that's correct. We're going to upgrade the stock with a target price of 45. We are staying on hold, however. We have seen this morning especially strong results, strong revenues, higher margins, almost double-digit margins, and the sales numbers are great thanks to the sales to China and the U.S. market. However, we're a bit skeptical about the double-dip risk, and we think that the demand is going to lag support in the next semester. So it's difficult to see how these numbers are going to be reiterated in the second half of the year.
So that's why you're not going out and out to a buy, is because you say, look, there's still some time for some larger themes to play out, one of which may or may not be, I'll get your opinion on this, can BMW be the victim of its own success? I mean, the 5 Series sold out. How much is supply a problem?
Well, I don't think so, because it's quite defensive. It's quite a defensive stock, actually, and the stock is doing great. I mean, they are benefiting also from a lower euros, and it's a strong German exporters and manufacturers, so that should support the stock in the short term. However, in the long term, we are a bit skeptical about what is going on in the economy. You see retail sales number slowing down, and the confidence, and especially how the consumers are going to be able to spend on big items. That is the big question, and that should impact BMW in the short term as well. So
Fahd,
that's why we're staying on hold.
Yeah, you have some macroeconomic concerns there. During the first half of the year, we saw sales for BMW up 13% versus the first half last year. Volkswagen's Audi, though, up 19%. Audi's got a pretty aggressive ad campaign here in the States, obviously wants to topple BMW. How likely is that to happen during the next year or 2 years?
It is possible, but you have to think about the base effect. Those numbers are compared to very weak numbers in the past semesters and the past quarters. So basically, you have the base effect that now are supporting this number. You're right. The company is having a very aggressive strategy in the U.S. market and in Asia. However, as I said, it is quite difficult to see how it is going to be successful. There is some risk, so that's why we're staying on hold. And the stock technically is at a very high level, so it is difficult to see how we're going to have some improvement on the stock.
Yeah, we have to leave it there. That is Fahd Rachidy.